are doing FBC, GST and TDS both are calculated in FB60. I'm making this video because of someone want that please make this kind of video with the GST and TDS. Both are mentioned in one invoice. So I am showing you how we are doing this in FB60 vendor invoice, pay purchase invoice /n FB60. Go to /n FB60. This is our page. Go to your company code. I'm already giving my company code here. My vendor is okay. Today's date. Cannot open. So these are not necessary, so I deleted from here. Okay, go to basic data, today's date. Okay, I am giving one amount is 4 lakh. Okay, purchase invoice, giving here my GL account, purchase account, which I already start with all tax include. So here is my purchase account, giving copy my amount. E1 is my tax code, tax plus, going to tax, net proposal, click on net proposal for calculate your actual tax. So on the 4 lakh I have a tax is 72,000. I have a GST tax. Okay, so I added here with 4 lakh and go to withholding tax, delete 1 because it calculates double, so I deleted 1 and go to simulate, and it is showing me that we are calculating all the kind of things here. Purchase account debit 4 lakh, input CGST account 36,000, input SGST account 36,000, total is 4,72,000. Debit to my vendor is Momita Private Limited, 4,52,000. Credit TDS payable account credit 20,000, means purchase account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to Momita private account, my vendor account, and to TDS payable account is 20,000. So I need to pay 4,52,000. So I am showing you how I am paying 4,52,000 in F-53 /n F-53 for paying my vendor. I am giving document date is today's date, account, bank account, I am giving a issued bank account, amount, if I don't know what is my amount is, I am giving 1 here. My value date is 29/5/2019. Account, this is my vendor account. Go to process open item, So it is showing me so many bills here. So I clicked untargeted amounts which I don't need to pay right now. It is showing me nothing. Oh sorry, I did not save that amount. FB60. I clicked all untargeted amounts. Now I go to display, document overview, and double click on amount 1, delete it, give a star to copy that amount which I need to pay. Okay, then save it. So I need to give a posting key which is 50 FO issued bank, and then save it. Go back, showing me the total amount. Now I need to go /n FBL1 for check is it cleared or not. It's not clear. It's a 25th amount, 25th date amount /n F-53. Again give all the details. I am giving here all the details here again to giving you a perfect entry. Amount, my amount is, I am not giving an amount, I am giving one. Value date, my vendor, process open item, double click on untargeted amounts which I don't need to pay now. So I go to display or document overview, double click on issued item, give a star, posting key 50 or issued bank account, then open process open item, then save it. It's red. It's showing me, why it's showing me double? Let it, and after that I am line item I am created. Why? So sorry. I clicked on process open item and then save it. It will show me a save. Okay, after that I will go to /n FBL1N, go to cleared items, execute it, and it will show me cleared. cleared item. We can see here is my cleared item. This is my document number, this is date, and this one is purchase invoice on 29th of May 2019. And the video is an end. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. If you have any kind of query, please send me, I will try to solve it. And any kind of real-time scenarios you have to you want to solve it, then share with me, I will try to solve it definitely. Thank you so much for watching my video, and so sorry for the end video is little bit tricky for me. I did not cleared it, but I will definitely do it. I will definitely do it again. Okay, thank you so much.